Hi children, welcome to Narana Live class. How are you all children? So I hope everyone are fine. Right. So now let's start. So today in this video we are going to see an assignment on human environment, transport and communication. So which is related to class 7th. So violet children, now let's start our assignment with the first question here. Why is air travel so expensive? So air travel means what children? Aircraft means aeroplane. So why children? Because so expensive due to high cost of fuel. Okay, so that means in aeroplanes we use white petrol. It's very cost. So that's why it is so expensive. Now let's take second question children. During which time helicopters are very useful? So helicopters. So really children, helicopters are very useful by the time of natural calamities like floods, some any natural disasters. So that is what see here is very useful at the time natural calamities for rescuing people and distributing food, water, clothes and medicines. I will show you one picture children. See here. See how helicopters are very useful by time of floods. See. By using these helicopters, we can distribute food, water, whatever the basic needs to the people. So that time, so definitely these helicopters are very useful. Now let's take third question children. Name some important airports in the world. So if you come to India, so Delhi, that is Indira Gandhi International Airport is very famous. And next coming to New York and Paris airports are very famous in the world. Now let's take fourth question children here. Air traffic is adversely affected by the bad weather like dash and dash. That means during fog or if it is no proper weather conditions, so difficult to travel through air travel. That means through airways. So that is what see here. Air traffic is adversely affected by the bad weather like a fog and storms. Next, coming to the fifth question children. Define communication. Communication means what children? Conveying the information or messages. So that is what here. Communication means the process of conveying message to others. Okay. Now let's take sixth question. The advancement in the field of dash has brought about an information revolution in the world. So the answer is communication. Now let's take seventh question children here. Define mass media. Mass, see name itself is present. Mass means what? Large number of people, means bulk people. So through newspaper, radio and television we can communicate with a large number of people. So they are therefore called as mass media. That means the communication like television, radio, newspapers, we can reach large number of people. So that is called as mass media. I will show you one picture, see. So this here mass media, see television, newspapers, internet. Okay, so these all are considered as mass media where we can reach in large number of people. Now let's take eighth question. What made communication faster? So the satellite children, very important. Even how internet we are using today, how telephone like mobile phones we are using because of satellites. So the satellites have made communication even faster. Now let's take ninth question children here. How the satellites prove themselves to be very helpful to us. Yeah, really children, satellites not only for communication purpose, even to identification of some locations like mining, forest areas. So that is what see here. Satellites have helped in the oil exploitation, survey of forest, underground water, mineral wealth, weather forecast and disaster warning. So in all these purposes, so definitely satellites are more helpful here. Now let's take 10th question. In the present generation, what became very popular to us? So in present generation, mainly wireless communication like what? Even if you take today headphones without wires, that means wireless communication devices are more popular. So that is what's here. Wireless telephonic communication through cellular phones have become very popular to us in the present generation. Now let's take 11th question. Even children, if you take Bluetooth also, it is wireless, right, communication device. So that is what in nowadays in present generation this wireless technology is very popular. Next, take 11th question here. How did the internet make our lives more comfortable? Yeah, see children, without internet, even you take online classes in present time. So without this internet, so we can't attend the online class, and not only for that, so everything our life is depends on what? Internet. So that is what see here. Internet not only provides with the worldwide information and interaction, but has also made our lives more comfortable. Now we can reserve tickets for railways, airways, and even cinemas and hotel sittings at home. That means everything internet use children. If one day there is no internet, definitely leads our lifestyle. Okay, so even if you want to book railway tickets or airway tickets, or if you want to book movie tickets, even if you want to attend for online classes, for everything, so for every purpose, so we have to depend on internet. Now let's take 12th question here. Write any two features about internet. So internet means what? Worldwide information, means www, World Wide Web. So that is what's here. We can get worldwide information, and we can do online shopping. We can reserve tickets for airways, railways, and even cinema and hotel sitting at your homes. That means by using this internet, we can find anything. That means, for example, if anything you don't know the meanings or any information if you want, so definitely, so everyone will open what? Google. So we'll search in the Google Chrome and we'll find out the information which we want. And not only for that, so this internet, by using this, we can book tickets, okay, so online shopping, everything. So that is what, so many features are there. So we discussed only two features here. So we can access the information and as well as online shopping, tickets booking and all this. Okay children, I hope you are very interesting today, because this internet communication are very interesting to us, right? So I hope you enjoyed children today. So these are the 12 question answers related to this assignment. I hope you are very clear with these answers. Thank you so much children. Have a nice day. I will meet you in the next assignment. Now signing off.